Talked about this area before. It's where I like my cats to come and do their business, but I have my nephew who wants to play with their business, so we put those benches to keep him out of there. But I want to give us something a little nicer, so pick these up. Out. Just found a really deep hole. We're gonna find out what's in there. I'm chasing nothing. Fill that back up. What do you think? I hope you guys can see me, and I hope you can hear me. We'll find out. I'm coming to you from inside my tool shed because we have some wind again. I want to take you real quick and show you it's not damage, but what the Santa Ana winds did to my backyard. Dried me out. Knocked down one of my hanging plants, made it look even uglier. It fell. Got rid of all the leaves on that. Basically just blew leaves everywhere. thought I was gonna lose something. It really dried out my grass again. We got pretty good sun today, so I came out here with a hose and just soaked the ground. Same here. It just dried everything out. I don't think you can see, but it leaves dust all over everything. I'm trying to show it before. That's the worst that it did. It's blue leaves everywhere. Made it so now I have to trim my fronds and dried out. Literally dried out the ground, like everywhere. I watered this. I soaked it the day before. Still see it's kind of wet. Oh, I'd say it's more moist, but look at the thinning from the shade versus sunlight. Amazing. Bad. These little guys right here don't help. Alright, I got everything cleaned up, thrown into the grass, all the leaves. It's ready to be mowed. Damn you, biplane. It's ready to be mowed, but I need to edge it and blow everything in, mow it, clean it up, you know, do all that stuff that I like to do. Just want to sit here and drink the rest of this beer. And wash my hands. Just chill the rest of the evening. Come back here tomorrow morning. Beer is good. It's my last one, so well, it's good while they lasted. So cheers, everyone. Thank you to all you new subscribers for subscribing. It means a lot. Yeah, I'm blown away by how many people have subscribed recently. Cheers.